So guys, it's been a while and we've made something you've asked many times: big tent sauna. Welcome, MORZH MAX. MORZH MAX, it's a big tent, 3-layer tent sauna. 3 meters long, 2 meters 30 centimeters wide and 1.95 centimeters height. It has 2 exits, 2 windows, 2 chimney cuttings. MORZH MAX has 2 windows on the opposite sides of the tent. Windows made from special material TPU, which withstands heavy loads of temperatures, cold ones and hot ones. It won't break. Each window has its own curtain, so if you don't want people see what's inside, or you don't want to see outside from the tent, use curtains, they can all come down. MORZH MAX has 2 entrances. First one is the simple one when you can enter the tent. So you just zip it up and you're inside. Let's see what's on the opposite side of the tent. On the other side of the tent there is a big entrance, so you can pull inside some big stuff or even your bike. At the front side of the tent you can see the ventilation window with mosquito net. It can easily be opened for the oxygen to enter the tent and closed. MORZH MAX has 2 chimney cuttings made from special stainless steel ring and silicone patch, which does not melt. Also, the cover, which covers the chimney cutting, has special rubber band, so the cover, if even the strong wind comes, it will not melt and will not touch the pipe. MORZH MAX has 3 layers with thermic stitches from outside and from inside too. It's 3-layer material which helps tent to contain heat inside more long time, and also it heats up really fast. And you can use this tent not as just tent sauna, but you can live with it in winter, so it's like winter tent for living. Let's see what's inside. Here we are inside. You can see it is a really spacious tent, like for 8 people with comfort. And also you can like throw a real big sauna party here. Each window has special curtain which can be easily opened and closed for you to see outside and for no one outside seeing what's happening inside the tent. At the bottom side of the wall you can see the lycra. It serves the purpose to attach additional floor. MORZH MAX has special divider wall, which is stored right here in the special pocket. As you can see, this wall will divide the whole sauna, the whole tent, into 2 spaces. One is the sauna room, where people take bath and have a nice time, and the other zone will be the zone where you can change your clothes. It's very easy to put special divider wall. Just pulling the zip line up and here we go. Here we are, MORZH MAX 3-layer tent sauna, which can be used as winter tent also, with a special divider wall. It really heats up very fast. It contains temperature inside for a long time, so you can use it throughout the year. So if you got any more questions, feel free to write us or call.